Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today the beginning of a new series that I decided to start on YouTube. I'll be trying out this new medium that I recently bought, Himi Gouache. The first painting will be a very simple one just for me to get to know how to use the medium, what to do and what not to do. And along the way I'll be sharing some tips that I've learned through painting and using this medium. So follow along, and I would be more than happy if you guys would recreate it and tag me. I would love to see your work. And also do let me know if you want more of these voiceover videos or just music. So tip number 1, get your consistency right. And please just get it right, because getting your consistency right with gouache will just make your work easier, especially if you're blending or covering a large surface area. You will see in a while what I mean by bad consistency. Like this is good. It's flowy and I'm able to spread paint easily across the paper. See, this is what I was talking about. I ended up painting the sun at the end because I forgot to paint it in the beginning, but do not make this mistake. Make sure you paint this in the first step itself. And with that, we're done with this painting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.